Good morning. Welcome to my plant haul. So, on this first day of spring, of course, we had to go to Lowe's and get some beautiful plants. So, just wanted to go over what I got. And actually, one of these were gifted to me by my mom. So, I'm going to go over it. We're going to be planting up the orb containers this morning with the beautiful purple and white Empress verbena. It is trailing, so it's going to be a lovely trailing plant to the orb right there. And on the back side, since I do spend a lot of time sitting on the porch, and you see the back of that container, I went with some pink mounding perennial. This is a carnation. So pretty. That's going to make a beautiful planter. And rinse and repeat over here for this orb. As you can tell, my colors for spring are going to be right here. Purple, pink, and a touch of yellow. This is going to be the middle hanging basket container that I'm going to plant up this morning. It's one of the ready refills from Lowe's. Love these when you kind of can't find the plants that you wanted. I was waiting for the Proven Winners Super Petunias to come out, or Petunias to come out. Unfortunately, Mellows didn't have them. In fact, they were pulled out the crate right as we were leaving. But I had already purchased this, and I think it's absolutely perfect. It has the colors, a lot of the greens, and it's going to be in the middle hanging basket on the front porch. So that's going to be lovely. Then you cannot go to Lowe's without checking out the clearance section. I was able to get this beautiful Hawaiian Thai plant on clearance. Way to check, because if you see this mark through it in the clearance section, it was half off. So we only paid about $10 for this beautiful plant. It is gorgeous. But they do have some discoloration to the leaves. It's been in this pot for quite a while. Hoping that it's not root bound. We shall see. But this beautiful guy is going to go in the back by our goldfish pond. And then, nothing beats a gift, a plant gift. My mom got this beautiful Hollywood hibiscus Disco Diva by Proven Winners. And in her pot that she purchased from Home Depot, there were quite a few stems. So she was able to divide it and gift one to me. Love it. And that is going to be on the back patio. We have a busy day of planting upcoming. Stay tuned. I started out feeling pretty good. Got my container, my plants, I was ready to go. But if you're dealing with heart issues or low energy like I am, you already know. Sometimes your body has other plans. And yes, it hit me. That wave of fatigue where you just know you've got to stop. I had to take a 45-minute break here, actually nap, before continuing with this project. And that is okay. When I was ready to come back to work, I sat down. I didn't push through. And you know what? The planning still got done. This is your reminder that gardening doesn't have to look perfect. It doesn't have to be done standing up or kneeling down. Little by little, we make progress. And here it is, still beautiful, still working, still worth it. And I listen to my body along the way. If you're out there dealing with fatigue, heart issues, or just having an off day, give yourself grace. Take that break, sit down, slow it down. Because taking care of yourself is just as important as mending your garden. If this encouraged you today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more real life gardening with heart. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.